Which one of the following hormones is not involved in sugar metabolism? Option A, glucagon. Glucagon hormone is involved in increasing the blood sugar level by promoting the release of glucose molecule from the liver, that is by converting or breaking down glycogen into glucose. So that means option A is an incorrect answer. Option B, cortisone. Cortisone is a corticosteroid hormone, and cortisone helps regulate glucose metabolism by increasing the production of glucose from non-carbohydrate sources in the liver, and it also helps the body respond to stress. So that means option B is an incorrect answer. Option C, aldosterone. Aldosterone is primarily involved in regulating the balance of sodium and potassium ions in kidneys, and it is crucial for maintaining the blood pressure and fluid balance. And it does not directly influence sugar metabolism. So that means option C, aldosterone, is the correct answer. Whereas coming to option D, insulin. Insulin hormone plays a central role in lowering the blood sugar level by facilitating the uptake of glucose into the cells for energy and storage. So that means option D is also incorrect. The answer is option C.